What's up, guys? Oh, my hat look crazy, yo.
What the?
I ain't telling you my hat look crazy. Fix that real quick. Damn, shit still look crazy. Shit.
We fixing that hat forever.
What's up, YouTube? Josh Cannon here with Cannon Gainz, and today we are going to do a full body exercise using one of my favorite pieces of equipment known as the TRX ropes. So TRX ropes are a type of anchor point training equipment, meaning that you basically secure the type of straps to one stationary position, and with that, you can adjust or turn up or turn down the intensity by how close or far your feet are to the anchor. So if my feet are closer to the anchor, then the exercise is actually going to become harder. If my feet are further away from the anchor, then the exercise is going to become easier. So based upon your skill and strength level, that's a way to gauge how to turn up or turn down the intensity of the exercise. All right, guys, so the first exercise that we're going to do is going to be a chest press using the TRX ropes. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the handles. You're going to turn away from the anchor. So you're going to have your arms extended about shoulder height. And what you're going to do is keep your elbows up, not turned in, not all the way up here. And what you're going to do is a press. So with that exercise, remember, like I said, if my feet are closer to the anchor and I'm facing this way, the exercise is actually going to be harder. If my feet are further away from the anchor and I'm facing this way, the exercise is going to be easier. Moving right along, so the next exercise we're going to do is going to be working on our shoulders. So this is going to be a two-part movement here. So basically you're doing two movements that are going to equate to one rep. We're going to do 5 reps of these, 2 sets. So the first movement is going to be with your palms facing each other, lean back. I like to call these door openers. So your arms are going to be nice and straight, keep all the tension in the rope, and you're going to pull apart. All right, so now moving on, we're going to hit these guns, gains. But yeah, the next exercise we're going to do is going to be a bicep curl. So with that one, what you're going to do is you're going to face the anchor. Palms are going to be facing up. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep your arms at chest height and you're going to curl to your forehead. The reason why I say that is because, like, if you keep your elbows down low, I see a lot of people turn the bicep curl here into a row. So to eliminate that, keep your arms nice and high. Elbows are going to be nice and high, palms facing up, and you're going to curl to your forehead. That way it's really going to isolate the bicep. So that's going to be a set, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. All right, so after we finish with our bicep curls, we're gonna do a tricep extension. So we did bis, now we're gonna hit tris. So with that one, you're gonna face away from the anchor. You're gonna put your arms up nice and high above your head, almost in the position like you're throwing a ball, or in Superman position, however you wanna think about it to keep your arms up. Palms are gonna be facing down. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna break at the elbow, not the shoulder, because if you let your shoulders roll forward, then you're gonna pull your shoulder, and that's not gonna be fun. So make sure that all the tension stays in your tricep. Palms are gonna be up, so you're gonna break the elbow. Keep your abs nice and tight. Push forward and squeeze. All right, guys, so after we do that, the next exercise we're gonna do is gonna be to work on our back. There's gonna be another 2-part exercise here. That's gonna be 5 reps, 2 sets. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna face the anchor again. Palms are going to be facing down. Keep your elbows nice and high. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull it to our face. And squeeze down slow. That's going to be the first movement. The second is going to be a low row. So that one, your palms are going to be facing together. Fully extend your arms. Keep tension in the rope. Keep your elbows close to your side. You're going to pull down and squeeze. So this is 1 rep. 1, 1. And we're going to do 2 sets of 5 reps of that. All right, so the last body group that we're gonna work are gonna be our legs. So this is going to be an assisted squat. So what you're gonna do is you're going to extend all the way out, like we said before, keep the tension in the rope. Feet are gonna be shoulder width apart. Lean back, and we're gonna go down to a deep squat. Hold it 1 second at the bottom, come forward, push your hips forward, squeeze your glutes. So I hope that you enjoyed this full body workout that I did today using my TRX rope. I'm gonna link the description below where you can pick up your own pair here. But this is a great exercise to do if it's a nice day outside and you don't want to be in the gym, or you want to do something at home, or you can do it wherever, really. As long as you have somewhere to anchor these two, you can get a great workout in. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on all my videos. And until next time, guys, Kkah Gainz, out.